You can't see me. Here's part 2. Tearing this thing apart. So we're removing this to put in this. And I do have another axle as well. And maybe finding some, put these on, but this is just an all to put together. But I do have maybe a chance of a future project coming. I have 2 carbon fiber chassis, and I don't know what to do. I'll find out. But anyways, let's truck is dirty. Let me break into this and get started. As you can tell, I already took some things apart. Got the tires off. I have bald spots I need to get in here. I do have some old 2.2s, which they're still not in bad condition. Still usable. I took off another rig. I probably can stick them in there. Might work. What? Yeah. But I'm going to tear into this. Oh, we're just spinning on that one. Those are loose. That one just came undone. Got a little magnet thing over here. Since I've tore into this, so let me go ahead and try to get through this. And I'm charging batteries in the background. I was on there. Trying to put this at full send. Sometimes you gotta self-screw it before you start pulling it out. I'm not worried about it. I got more screws as well, if that's donezo. Oh, I never put the screws back in this. Why do I think I took them out? Oh, I hate when I get stuck. Alright, let me get into this one a little bit. I gotta be at a different angle. Let me unscrew a little bit. There we go. That's what I like about this one. You can like hand tight a little bit with this thing. If you don't know what this is, DeWalt. You should look at that number right there. That's what that is. If you're curious about it. There's another one that like turns. A lot of people have. Well, there's one more thing I need to hit, and it's this guy right here. See if I can do it with this, or do I gotta hand tools? And there's an odd angle. Ah. See if I can get it out real quick. There we go. Push that over there. Get this out of the way. I gotta put this. And it's still connected to steering. which I'm just going to undo it from here. And it's almost a trailer struck. There's like little cobwebs in here. I'm just going to throw this down so I don't lose that screw. So it's there. It's just like, oh yeah, this is like an Eco WP120T. Just a cheapie. I thought I had a bad one. The one that was originally from this video. It's just the remotes suck. So I've upgraded it. So say goodbye to that. Just take out that piece. Interesting. Well, there's that part of that truck. So I got other shocks, but I'm gonna think I'll keep the element stock shocks. Oh, that battery's done. Alright. There's one shock. Two shock. Those are the front, and here's that whole system gone. So yeah, that's a cool little system, but nothing I would ever use again. Wasn't a big fan of it. Put that right there. Now I need to rewatch videos because some of the stuff I don't remember. Oh yeah, this is so nice to see, and I totally forgot I had it. It was like every, oh, it's just one, I don't really care. So I have straight axles. This is a conversion kit. Oh my god, I gotta put it together, but it's a truck I want to build out of scratch. The axles have really been used, which is strange. I just don't know where to go from here. There's a topper piece for this. I need to find. And I don't know where that is. Yeah. I got like 6 out of 24 parts all over the place. I mean, I could organize this table again. More axles, more stupid, dude. Traxxas, shocks, stickers. What is this? Oh, that's. Oh. I'm attached by everything over here. Oh yeah, there's that Spectrum radio. Put it up there. Put it over here. I don't know. Let me look. I'll be back. We'll figure this out. Oh, buddy. Oh, there you go. So, why are you? Okay. Got the tray in. If we focus. Got the tray in. Server's down. I took out the front bumper. Thought I needed to do that. Didn't do that. Got the tray off. So now I need to figure out how to get this piece down. I'm wiggling right here where my hand is off, but I probably need to move the tray, and I've been thinking about changing the pinion on this so the structure is a little bit faster, but I'm also liking that stock. Don't know if I want to keep keys or what it is, but yeah, as you can tell, I need to clean some stuff up. But yeah, this is where I'm at right now at the moment. Hopefully I can get those axles set up, which are just right here. These guys. But yeah. Alright, oh yeah, I have upgraded the plug. Needed that wiring because I'm really liking this style. One of my favorites. I have a bunch of other parts, but like I said, I have a future project that I'm thinking about doing. But here we go. Alright, so it is on. The battery's just underneath. So I put the towers in. I'm going to flip these around and probably go over to some a little bit better shocks. They're Traxxas ones. Yeah, so it works. Let me grab the remote. So I got it installed. I just gotta wait for a panhard to come in to get that all assembled. I mean, do I really need it? I'm on a 4-link. I could probably get rid of the panhard, but I have it on order. I just needed some shocks because I was just realizing these are really, I mean, oil's still pretty good in those. Oh, what the? This stuff is starting to come out. I might just keep those. I'm probably not going to do those. I might key it, or I'm actually going to get rid of the keys and go back to the mounting. Yeah, and switch over the Traxxas. I'll probably keep. Well, we'll see how the body ends up. Because it's all part 1. I have a new body for this. Yes, I know. I have. If you can say anything in the comments, yes, I haven't flipped around because I don't know. The remote I have is weird, but I do have everything up. I don't even think I need a panhard mount because it's 4-linked. I don't think I need to do pan. Yeah, I can only find 117s and 125 millimeters in the height clearance, but I'm just gonna leave it like that for now and work on something else. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I just gotta get that back on. I'm gonna test it. I have a panhard. I just bought it just in case I suddenly need it because I have a 4-link. I don't think I need it, period, because it's on the 4-link. Dekey this. Should be good to go. I might need to fix this because you hear it go eat, 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 eat. Oh. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah. Bunch of leftover screws. I don't know what to do with right now. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I might need a new servo. I'll probably buy another cheap one. But this thing, I mean, it still works. I'm not too worried about it. But right now, I think I'm set with this. Try it out, like no body. Make sure everything runs. Still need to get a drive shaft connected. I think we should be good to go. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna this will be part 2. Then I'll update with part 3 on like a test drive, see how it works. What do I need to do? What needs to be done? And then hopefully part 4 for the body and finish look. Anyways, peace. Exactly, but something needs to show me. Don't mind the video in the background, but finally got it together. And I think I need to update this thing because it's not very powerful anymore. And then that body.